Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share 5 simple cooking hacks that will make your time in the kitchen so much easier. From keeping herbs fresh to peeling garlic like a pro, these tips will save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, peeling ginger. Did you know that using a regular spoon is actually the easiest way to peel ginger? Just use the edge of a spoon to scrape off the skin. It only takes the peel off, not the flesh, so there's less waste. Plus, it's safer than using a knife. Next up, hack number 2, keeping your herbs fresh for longer. Just wrap your herbs in a slightly damp paper towel, pop them in a plastic bag and store them in the fridge. This keeps them fresh and vibrant for days, sometimes even weeks. Hack number 3, preventing water from boiling over. Simply place a wooden spoon over your pot and it helps prevent the water from spilling over. No more messy stovetops. Hack number 4, checking if your eggs are still fresh. Just drop your egg in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, it's time to say goodbye to that egg. Easy, right? And finally, hack number 5, peeling garlic in seconds. Just smash the garlic clove with the flat side of your knife and the peel comes right off. No more struggling with those sticky garlic skins. And there you have it, 5 simple cooking hacks to make your life in the kitchen a breeze. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have any other cool tips to share. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.